Hey guys, typical train seeker here. Thought I'd go ahead and show you all this. This is currently in progress of being restored right now, kind of cleaned up. I got these a couple days ago in Florence, Alabama. These are 8 by 20 inch lights. That one right there is a RACO, and that one is a Safetran. But what's interesting is that one obviously has the stock Safetran lens, plastic lens. That one, deeper red, has a General Signals lens. So hopefully, if anyone's watching this video and you guys own crossing light parts or whatever, and you guys have a General Signals 8-inch plastic lens, let me know in the comments, please. I will further go there and I can send you my email and we can kind of talk about stuff there. Anyways, so this is currently in restoration process right now. What's also interesting is this Safetran light actually uses plastic. Plastic is the lens, but this one is the RACO. It's metal. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So like I said, this is in process of being restored and cleaned up right now. The paint on the lights, that is not my doing. That's actually the stock original paint. And it's in great shape. I polished it up and kind of cleaned up the paint. It was a little faded, but the lenses were also really extremely faded as well, but that's all been cleaned up. There was a bulb in there that I took out and put in there. Because the original bulb in there I was trying to take out because none of these lights worked until last night because there was dirty or rust. It was either a dirty contact or a rusty contact on the bottom of the bulb and none of them worked. So I tried taking that one out and the rust kind of just got it and it kind of broke the bulb, so I took the remainder of it out and threw it away. Ordered a new bulb, but that one in there, that bulb actually came out and I cleaned the contact and the bulb still works. I have it in there right now, but I have a new bulb on the way to put in there for now. But here's kind of an inside look of the lights. So here's the reflector. That's where the bulb goes. They're a different type of bulb and kind of need to kind of oil that. That's a little problematic. This is where your wires go. I actually took the old wires out. The old wires were shot. There's the lens, really cleaned up. I said there's the mirror with the reflector, and it actually still has a sticker in here about maintenance and replacing light fixtures. So we'll go ahead and close that back up. But what's interesting, this obviously was a RACO light at one point here because this actually has a RACO attachment for the light. So this was all RACO, and that's also a RACO mast for the lights. So we'll get to that in just a second. So close that. Here's the RACO fixture right here where you put the light on, and here's the mast. I actually just got done cleaning all of those up because those are pretty nasty. Made the custom bridge here. You're probably wondering where's the other set of lights. I'll get to that in just a second. But I kind of sanded this down, cleaned up some of the metal because I actually plan to repaint this into a nice silver here soon. And here's the actual RACO light. So I'll go ahead and open this one up, if it'll open up. There we go. Okay, so here's the mirror, or the reflector, here's the bulb. It does work, and I will be cleaning these up because they're a tad oxidized or corroded, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to clean all of these up to where these can get the best connection as possible. But they do work, and I'll go ahead and close that for you. And make sure it's closed up. Okay, so we'll go over here. By the way, siren stuff. If you're a siren enthusiast, you're looking at this train channel, go to my main channel Music City Sarge, and check that out. Anyways, so these lights do work, or at least that light works. So we'll go ahead and just take a look over here. Pretty darn bright. Pretty bright light. I did have the bulb in that one, and it's not as bright because that lens is a little bit darker than that one, so because it is a different light after all, but they do look the same. So we'll go ahead and head back over here. And alright, so now it's off. So a couple of things during the process of restoring these lights. Where's the cover for this mast? Well, it didn't come with one. I'm assuming it's missing. So there are a couple covers on eBay that I will probably buy. And the other question, maybe another question or so. The other question, where's the rest of the stuff like crossbuck and bell? Well, I have a bell upstairs. If you guys remember, I have a Western Colin Hayes 333 mechanical bell. I actually just repainted it recently into a CSX scheme, and I actually just bought an official crossbuck a couple months ago. So now all I need is a base and a pole. I could probably make a base myself. A pole I could probably just get PVC from Lowe's or some sorts like that. And the other question is, do you have any idea where these lights came from in the history? I was doing some research the other night. A person told me these came from DeKalb, Alabama. These lights were on a crossing, or not DeKalb, Decatur, Alabama. And I thought at first that that's where the CSX SNNA line is, but not really sure now because I forgot Norfolk Southern exists in that town. And I was kind of looking around the town, and I actually found what crossing these came off of. And for you Alabama rail enthusiasts, you guys could probably correct me, but back in 2008 Street View, I found on McIntyre Lane that these lights were on the McIntyre Lane crossing on some NS line, I think on the Memphis district. Hence why there's only two lights, because these are on the back of the mast and not on the front like they are now. These are actually on the back. The front, believe it or not, were GRS LAXC lights. I'll provide a screenshot within the video of the crossing. But that's all I really know on the history of these lights. I don't know too much. It looks like they were removed and replaced with newer Safetran 12 by 20 inch incandescents after 2008. Or they could be LED, not entirely sure. So for now, this is what it's kind of looking like. I'll kind of update y'all when I get a flasher, relay, and a couple more things for this crossing and get it set up soon enough. So thank you guys for watching.